Hello everybody! Today we'll work with frog position and today we'll work with mobility of our hips and how to sit in our middle split. So if you want, stay with me. First exercise which we will do, we will take our legs in different sides, take our body on our hands and starting do mobility a little bit behind and sit on the back 2, back 3, back 4, back. After that we will take more that our legs be on one line, it's important, and try take one leg up and back, 2, back, 3, back, 4, back, and 5. So good work. Let's try to do that exercise on another leg. So 1, 2, 3, good work, 3, 4, and 5. So after that we will do exercise. We slowly go down and then we will try to take 2 legs and back, 2, good work, 3, 4, and 5. Then relax and try take that our hip go down. So slowly back, and after that we will try do exercise more harder. So watching, we try take 2 legs together and slide in the frog position. 2, 3, 4, and slowly 5. And then we will do our middle split. So how we will do? I will try take more in this side. And what we will do? We will take our feet and little bit slide and take your breath out and back, 2, back. So guys, stay with me if you want to see how to sit in the middle split, because it's so important if you want to have a good stretch. So 3 and slide, take your breath out and relax. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that you will do the same exercise on another side, but we will try sit in our middle split and slowly sit in this position. I will take my breath and slowly breathe out and slide in this position and relax. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come back. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you want good middle split, follow me and watch my other videos, because I have a lot of videos with good exercise for your body and mobility. So bye bye.